Hello everyone, welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. Hope you all are doing fine. Well, in today's video, we're going to see how to make okra stir fry or stir fry lady's finger in Chinese style, which will be crispy and very delicious. And friends, do subscribe to my channel if you haven't for more interesting recipes to come. And now let's get started with this delicious okra stir fry recipe. So to make okra stir fry, you need to wash the okras and then pat them dry and cut diagonally into thin medium slices like this. Next you will need 1 onion sliced into juliennes, 4 large garlic pods minced, 1 small piece of ginger finely chopped, and some red, green and yellow bell peppers cut into juliennes like this. So these are the base ingredients of our okra stir fry, and now let's get started with the making process. Now to make our okra crispy and delicious, we need to add some dry ingredients. Here goes 1/4 cup of corn flour so that when we stir fry them they become crisp. Some salt for seasoning, say around ½ teaspoon. A pinch of black pepper and 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder. Now mix all the ingredients well with the help of a spoon so that they are well combined with the okras. So mixing is done. Next, heat a non-stick pan and drizzle some vegetable oil, say around 1 tablespoon, to pan fry the okras. And when the oil is hot, add the okras. Since the okras are coated with corn flour, they will be crisp after some time, even if we pan fry them with just 1 tablespoon of oil. So you don't need to deep fry them and make it unhealthy. But to make the okras crisp, you need to stir them occasionally on medium flame. This will take about 8 to 10 minutes. Toss them in between. And by now the okras have become golden brown and crisp from outside. And since I have cut them thinly, they have cooked fast and are crisp as well. So our okras are ready now. I will take them off and keep them aside in a plate. Now in the same pan, add a teaspoon of oil. Next goes the minced garlic, the finely chopped ginger, and the sliced onions. Now saute them for a while until they turn translucent. Next goes 1 teaspoon of chili flakes. Mix this well. Now add the red, green and yellow bell peppers. Quickly stir them for a few seconds as we want to retain their crunch and bright color. And now we'll quickly season the veggies with 1/4 teaspoon of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of Schezwan sauce. You can also add red chili sauce, a pinch of salt for taste. Now mix this well. And now time to add our crispy pan-fried okras or lady's finger into the pan. Mix the okras well along with our spicy and flavorful stir-fried veggies. Finally, I will add some green or spring onions cut diagonally. Give a final mix. And our okra stir fry is now ready to be served hot. And here goes our crispy and delicious okra stir fry or stir fry lady's finger into the serving plate. This is an amazing side dish which tastes so good cooked in this way, and I'm sure people who are not great fan of okras will also love this recipe. I'll garnish with some more spring onions on top, and here it goes. So friends, I hope you will try this interesting okra stir fry recipe. Also share your feedbacks and do subscribe to my channel. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.